Hello everyone, how are you today? Especially to my grade 10 students, how are you? So today we will continue the review in mathematics. We are now in question number 14. So I'm going to discuss 4 questions today. So let's start. Question number 14. What is the sum of the roots of negative 3x squared minus 36x plus 14 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So we have now negative 3x squared minus 36x plus 14 equals 0. Then we are asked to find the sum. So any idea, guys? So instead of doing factoring to find the value of x, then once you get the value of x, then just add. So there's a shortcut way on how to find the sum of this quadratic equation. Okay, so please listen. First, identify the value of a, the value of b, and the value of c. Or no need the value of c, only the a and b. Because to find the sum given the quadratic equation, we will use only the value of b and value of a. Okay? So the value of a here, a is equals to negative 3. Then b is equals to negative 36. Remember the standard form of quadratic equation. So we have now ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation. So to find the value of a, so just look at the numerical coefficient of x squared, and to find the value of b, the numerical coefficient of x. So to find the sum is like this. So sum is equals to b divided by a. So negative b divided by a. So that is the formula. Then substituting, we have now negative times negative 36 over negative 3. So the answer now, so negative times negative 36 will become positive. Then positive 36 divided by negative 3. So the answer is negative 12. So this is the answer. Okay. So the sum of the roots of negative 3x squared minus 36x plus 14 is equals to 0 is negative 12. Okay, guys? So let's proceed to question number 15. When quantity negative 3 plus 2a times quantity 5 minus 9a is expressed in the form of a plus bi, it is equals to 3 plus ki, where k is a whole number to be determined. What is the value of k? Now, this question is about complex expression, because we have now I is the imaginary number. Okay? Then k is a constant, but here k is a whole number. Then to solve this, of course, you have an idea on how to multiply binomials. So you can apply it here, multiplying binomials. So let us show the solution. Negative 3 plus 2i times 5 minus 9i. So first multiply 3 times using distributive property. 3 times 5 equals negative 15. Then negative 3 times negative 9i equals positive 27i. And then 2i times 5 equals positive 10i. Then the last term is 2i times negative 9i equals to negative 18i squared. Okay? And then simplifying, so just copy negative 15. Then 27i plus 10i equals positive 37i. Okay, then I squared, the value of I squared is equals to negative 1. So I raised to the second power, I raised to the second power equals negative 1. Okay guys, so, and then multiply to negative 18, it will become positive 18. Then combine similar terms are negative 15 plus 18 equals 3. So the answer now is equals to, from here we have positive 3 plus 37i. Okay, so going back to the question, we have now in the form of a plus bi, it is equals to 3 plus ki. So what is the value of k? So therefore, this is not the value of k. So therefore, k is equals to 37. Okay. So we have now 37. That is the value of k. Okay, guys, did you get it? So let's proceed to question number 16. What is the remainder when p of x is equals to 4x raised to 4 plus 15 is divided by x minus 2? So I know you know how to divide this using, I think you remember about the long division method in dividing polynomials. But in this case, instead of using the long division method, we will use the remainder theorem. Okay? So first thing to do, applying the remainder theorem, equate x minus 2 equals to 0. Then solve for x. So we have now x minus 2 is equals to 0 by using addition property of equality. So it will become now x is equals to 2. Adding both sides by positive 2 to eliminate negative 2. So the answer is x equals to. So we will use positive 2 in order to find the remainder. So here the solution will be like this. P of positive 2. So P of positive 2 is equals to 4 times 2 raised to 4, then plus 15. Okay. So 2 raised to the 4th power is equals to how many? So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 16. Then we have now 16 times 4. 16 times 4 is equals to 64. Then add to 15. You can use your calculator. I will recommend this calculator. FX991ES plus. So this is, even you can solve the quadratic equation here using this calculator. So plus 15. So the answer is 79. So we have now is equals to 79. So this is the remainder. Okay, so going back to question number 16. So the answer is, the remainder is 79. Next, question number 17. For what value of m is quantity x plus 2 a factor of p of x equals x raised to 4 minus 2x squared plus 3mx plus 64. Okay, now in this case, you're going to equate x plus 2 equals to 0. So if we have x plus 2 is equals to 0, so x equals negative 2. Okay, then after that, substitute it here. So p of negative 2 is equals to negative 2 raised to 4. We can use parentheses. Then minus 2 times negative 2 squared plus 3m times negative 2 plus 64. Okay, then simplify. Negative 2 raised to 4 is positive 16. So 16. Then negative 2 raised to 2, positive 4 times negative 2, we have negative 8. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, so minus 6m. Then plus 64. Okay, then combining similar terms, 16 minus 8 equals 8. Then 8 plus 64 equals 72. So we have now negative 6m equals plus 72. Now, to find the value of m, we will let the p of negative 2 here equals to 0. So, substitute here 0. So, we need to apply addition property of equality here by adding both sides by negative 72. So, we have now the solution will be, or we will transpose this negative 6m, so positive 6m equals to 72. Divide both sides by 6. So we have now m is equals to, so 72 divided by 72 divided by 6 is equals to 12. Okay, so therefore, the answer in question number 17 for what value of m, so the answer is m equals 12. Okay guys, I hope you learned something about these questions guys. So please subscribe my channel. Okay, so we are now in question number 17. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, bye-bye. Have a nice day to everybody.